Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an amazing natural remedy for hair growth that you absolutely have to try. We're talking about cloves. Yep, you heard that right. Cloves for hair growth. So if you're looking for a natural way to get thicker and longer hair in less than 30 days, make sure to stick around. You won't want to miss this. Let's start by discussing why cloves are becoming such a popular ingredient in hair care. Cloves are not just for adding flavor to your dishes. They are a natural and super easy solution for keeping both the hair and scalp clean and healthy. That's actually why you'll find them as an ingredient in so many shampoos, conditioners, and even hair coloring agents. Isn't that interesting? All right, let's jump into our first recipe. For this one, we're going to need just a few simple ingredients. First, grab a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of cloves. That's it! These humble little cloves are going to give your hair a stunning shine, high volume, a beautiful aroma, and a lovely airiness. It's really amazing how such a small ingredient can do so much. Now, what we'll do is place the cloves and water in a pot and leave them on the stove for about 5 minutes. You'll want to make sure to keep an eye on it. Don't let it boil too hard. Just a gentle simmer is perfect. One of the coolest things about cloves is that they contain a compound called eugenol. Eugenol is really great for promoting hair growth, especially when applied directly to the roots. Plus, it can repair, strengthen, and add a healthy shine to the hair shaft when used regularly. It's like giving your hair a little boost of life. Once you've simmered the cloves for 5 minutes, take the pot off the stove and set it aside to cool completely. Ideally, let it sit overnight to really get all those wonderful properties infused into the water. In the morning, just filter out the cloves and pour the water into a closed bottle. Super simple, right? Before you use the clove water, make sure your hair is freshly washed. Then, spray your scalp generously with the mixture and massage it in for about 2 minutes. This step is crucial because the massage helps stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, which can further boost hair growth. Leave it on for about 2 hours before rinsing it out with water and your regular shampoo. Trust me, you'll notice a difference from the very first use. Moving on to our second recipe. For this one, we'll need 1 medium-sized onion. If you have a really large onion, just use half. Onion juice is another fantastic ingredient for hair growth. Once you've peeled and chopped the onion, you'll notice its strong smell. But don't worry, the cloves will help with that later. Onion juice is packed with sulfur, which is essential for strong and thick hair. It helps prevent hair loss and supports new hair growth by boosting collagen production. Now we'll add in our cloves. For this recipe, grind a few cloves into a fine powder. You only need about 2 teaspoons. Cloves are rich in minerals like iron, sodium, calcium, and magnesium, as well as vitamins A and K. These nutrients are essential for hair health and can help increase density and strength. Once you have your onion pieces and ground cloves ready, place them in a pot with a medium cup of water. Cover the pot and set it on low heat. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes until the onions become translucent. This is a good sign that all the goodness has been released into the water. Let it cool down before straining. Pour the cooled mixture into a spray bottle. Now it's ready to use. Spray it evenly on your scalp, massage gently, and leave it on for 1 to 2 hours. To lock in the treatment, wrap your hair with a shower cap. You can do this twice a week for best results. The antioxidants in both cloves and onions help combat common hair problems and can even improve scalp health. One great tip: if you make a lot of this mixture, just store the extra in a sealed bottle in the fridge. It'll last for a few days, and you'll have it ready to go for your next application. This recipe isn't just great for women. Men and even kids can benefit from it too. It's a natural, cost-effective, and simple way to support healthy hair growth. Plus, it's so satisfying to use something straight from your kitchen. So there you have it. 2 amazing ways to use cloves for hair growth. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural beauty tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.